In this video, we will show you how to replace your engine oil dipstick tube on this Chevy Tahoe. This will be located along the passenger side of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing that we need to mention is we will be working close to the exhaust manifold. So you want to make sure that you have not been running the engine anytime recently. After that, make your way right over to the oil dipstick. We'll pull that up and out of the tube. Set that aside. Let's make our way down here to our 15mm headed mounting bolt that holds the dipstick tube to the engine. Now we can grab onto that dipstick tube. We're going to give it a little wiggle and lift it up and out of the engine. And there it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install that brand new dipstick tube. We're going to come down through the manifold alongside of the engine. Now we're just going to try to align this with the corresponding hole in the engine and slide it all the way down. Give it a little wiggle as we do so. Make sure it's sitting completely flush so no moisture or debris can make its way into the engine. Now we can start in our mounting bolt. Now that that's started, let's snug it up. Make sure it's nice and tight. Now let's reinstall our engine oil dipstick. For good measure, we'll pull it right back out. Make sure we do have engine oil on that dipstick. That means the tube is in the proper placement. Go ahead and put that back. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.